Adobe Photoshop is an incredible software. It's packed with powerful features and used by professionals for photo editing, graphic design, and digital art. But when we look at the price, it's so expensive, and for many people, it's just not affordable. Plus, with Adobe's subscription model, you're forced to keep paying month after month just to use it. That's why in this video, I'll take you through 4 of the best free alternatives to Photoshop, letting you edit photos, create stunning graphics, and achieve professional results without spending any money. So without further ado, let's get into the video. On the 4th number, we have Pixlr. If you're looking for a web-based photo editor that's fast and easy to use, Pixlr is a great option. Pixlr has 2 main editors, Pixlr Editor and Pixlr Express. The Pixlr editor is packed with advanced photo editing tools and features a layout similar to Photoshop. You can crop photos, adjust colors, add effects, and do much more. On the other hand, Pixlr Express is built for quick and easy edits, relying heavily on AI-powered tools to do most of the work for you. Pixlr also includes other AI tools like AI Object Remover, Background Remover, Face Swapper, and Image Upscaler. But keep in mind, AI tools like these require credits, and once you run out, you'll need to pay to keep using them. However, the photo editor itself is completely free, making it an option worth considering. On the 3rd number, we have Krita. Krita is a free and open source software that can be a great alternative to Photoshop if your main focus is digital art, illustration, and painting. It is available for all operating systems, Windows, Mac, and Linux. While Photoshop is widely used for photo editing and graphic design, Krita is more geared towards artists. The interface is similar to Photoshop's, but the tools here are specifically designed for painting and illustration. It offers a huge library of brushes for designing, calligraphy, and texturing. Krita can also open and edit PSD files, making it easier to work with Photoshop projects without conversion issues. Additionally, you can customize your workspace with different themes from the settings. However, Krita comes with a steep learning curve, so beginners might take some serious time to get used to it. Otherwise, it's extremely powerful and works great for digital art. On the 2nd number, we have GIMP. GIMP is a free and open source photo editing software that serves as a solid alternative to Photoshop. It's available on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and is widely used for photo retouching, image composition, and graphic design. Much like Photoshop, GIMP offers layer-based editing, advanced selection tools, and a variety of brushes and filters. It also supports custom plugins, allowing users to expand its capabilities beyond the default tools. One of the biggest challenges with GIMP is its unorganized interface. Unlike Photoshop's polished design, GIMP's layout can feel overwhelming at first. Many tools are buried under menus, and getting used to the workflow takes some patience and practice. But if you're willing to put in the effort, there are plenty of YouTube tutorials to help you master it. So, if you're looking for a free yet powerful alternative to Photoshop, GIMP is definitely worth exploring. On the 1st number, we have Photopea. If you personally ask me, this is my favorite choice after Photoshop. The interface, tools, and shortcuts are nearly identical. If you've used Photoshop before, you'll feel right at home. Plus, it supports both raster and vector graphics, so you can work on everything from photo editing to full-scale design projects. Photopea also supports a wide range of file formats, including PSD, XD, Sketch, AI, and more. It even comes with a pre-made templates library. If you need a quick design, like a YouTube thumbnail, social media post, or business card, you can start with a template and customize it to your needs. The only drawback with these web-based editors is that the free version has ads, but they're not too intrusive. So if you're looking for a Photoshop alternative that works anywhere, supports multiple file formats, and feels just like the real thing, Photopea is hands down the best option. So these were some of the best free alternatives to Photoshop. Now, it's up to you to decide which one suits you the best. And that's it, guys, for this video. Thanks for staying until the end. Take care and bye.